What's up, machines and machine freaks? I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday. I'm going to switch it up a little bit for this video. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. Here we go.
If you lead, I'll follow. And then if I think of something, then you can follow me.
Jay said he's been up here cleaning.
Yeah, what the heck happened, Jay? Come on, Jay. Clean her up a little better. I hope he cleans his butt a little better than he cleans the woods. Yeah. Holy cats. Dude, this thing rips! That thing flies, dude! Hey, what we're definitely gonna have to do on another video is race. Yeah. This is why I haven't wrapped it yet. Because I don't want to get it all scratched up. I need to take this thing off. This thing's going to kill me. You pick a way to get to the house, I'll pick a way to the house, and we'll see who wins. I'm going this way. Really? Yeah. Okay, let me turn around. Oh, sorry about that. Next time I'll pull on the other side of you. That got in my mouth. I only got scared twice on the way here.
Yeah?
Yeah. I felt like I was on an episode of Top Gear there. Because they always race like two totally different things. Oh, I cracked my windshield more. Or I cracked this thing more. I mean, the windshield has pros and cons. You can go through trees without having to worry. But then, as soon as you get out of the trees, you can't see a thing. I think that's why at the races, nobody has a windshield. I don't even think anybody had a grate in front of them. No. You just take it to the face.